Today's topic of research methodology is systematic literature review, research gap, research topics, research objectives, and research hypotheses. Researchers are often found very difficulty in order to identify the systematic procedure of literature review. Therefore, many times researcher is not going to identify the appropriate research gap because the way the researcher going to use literature review is not going to accept it the universally accepted guidelines of considering systematic literature review. This slide going to demonstrate how a researcher going to perform a systematic literature review. Systematic review of literature only consider peer-reviewed literature only. It means all the research articles that are listed there in any international governing body like ABDC, Australian Business Dean Councils, Thomson Reuters, Scopus, Web of Science are going to be only considered in doing a systematic review of literature. Thereafter, researchers often found difficulty in order to identify the particular literature review range. It means from which particular duration the researcher is going to start the review of literature. So commonly it has been considered for last 10, 20 years. But in order to avoid any form of misconception that the research topic which the researcher is going to be selected is previously studied by any of the researcher, and in order to avoid such kind of circumstances and situation, it is going to be suggested that the time period consideration for review of literature range from the inception of the concept or the study variable. It means we are going to start the review of literature there from the inception of the concept. Secondly, we are going to use the platform of database such as Scopus, SSCI, ScienceDirect, ProQuest, and IBSCO. And more importantly, we are going to consider key terms. Key terms are those specific terms that are going to be used by the researcher in order to access out review of literature from any database platform.